Thank you for your interest in Project Softstart. This video will serve as a walkthrough of the technologies that we will use to collaborate on this initiative. What you need to know. This collaborative project is going to be secured on the cloud. In order to gain access to most of the activities that we will be using, you will need a few things. A Gmail account will be required. If you send the system administrator a request, including your Gmail account, you will then be provided with multiple emails. Check your inbox. When you check your inbox, you will see 3 emails. One inviting you to collaborate with a group, one inviting you to collaborate on a site, and one to collaborate on a forum. If you click the site email, you will gain access to our main information hub. On our main information hub, the front page will give you the ability to view the project at a glance. We include project updates, any outstanding to-do items, the amount of time we have remaining in the initiative, a discussion forum, and then the pages inside the main site. So if we refer to the Project Softstart page, this is going to give you an idea of the methodology that we'll be using to develop this project. The team members are also listed on the site, which gives you the ability to send them an email directly. If we have decided we are going to be working on something, we can add the item to a to-do list. So you just need to find your name, put a description of what we're doing, select a date that it should be accomplished by, and you can save. You'll see it show up in the to-do list. If that's not what you wanted to accomplish, you can very easily delete the item. An important thing with this project is keep an accurate measure of the time that you've spent doing each and every item. So once again, find your name on the drop-down list, give us an indication of what you might be doing and the amount of time that one might have spent doing it. Select a date that you had accomplished that work and save it. If you've made any errors, it's very easy to in fact delete the item. You can also provide us with updates, and that would go out to every member of the group, and also load files onto the site. Inside the site, we have a collaborative document, and on this collaborative document, everyone can edit. And this is done in real time, and everyone would see the changes as you enter them into this document. So it's great for real-time conversations. We have also been working on a template for the laboratory so that when people choose to participate and offer to involve themselves in the development of labs, we would have a standardized ideology and methodology that we would be using to develop those labs to hopefully reduce workload and increase alignment. And once you've completed your work on a lab, it's important to get some feedback from other members of the team. So what we have is a form that you can ask the administrator for, and the form would be sent out to the participants of the group. And once the participants of the group receive it via email, they would see something like this. Now this is a live form. They can go through and they can provide you with the feedback on the lab that you've built. Once they submit the document, you would also have access to a spreadsheet. Now in this spreadsheet, you can open it up and you would be able to have a look at what the respondents are saying about the work that you've done and if anything needs to be addressed in order to increase the alignment of the lab with our current directive. So the final thing that we want to look at here is just a group discussion. So this group discussion, you would have been sent an email to join the group. You will have the ability to add topics. Now, the nice thing about adding the topics is as soon as you are done, you should be able to send this out to all members of the group. And thanks for your interest in this initiative.